Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to install the Composer in your machine. So you type Composer, download. Click on this. Or click on the Composer setup download link over here. I already here I have downloaded. Will be there. You double click on this. Select for the user. Click on next. It automatically take up the PHP exe file. If you have to make sure before you have to install the composer, you have to install the XAMPP or WAMP, whatever. But then only we can configure this one. Okay, so it will take the part automatically. Okay, okay. So yeah, you must install inside the C drive. Then only take the path automatically. Click next. What happened? Go here. Program files. XAMPP. PHP this one. Next. Move next. Okay, next here click on this next. Click next. Okay, you have to select this option. I forgot to select the option, that's why it takes some program. You have to click next, click install. I forgot to select that particular option. Click next, click finish. Now the composer has been installation completed. Okay, this is how we have installed the composer in your machine. Thank you.